Hey everybody, Quadrajet Power here. This is Mark. Today we're going to talk about what you do when, even though you've ground off the back side of the screws on your that hold your throttle blades in the base, as careful as you are, and one of them breaks, or more of them break. I don't know if you can see that. It's going to be kind of difficult to see. Got a broken screw right here. Only one of these broke. This happens even if you do everything right. Prepare everything in the base. Grind the back side off that's staked. Some of them are just either rusted or they're just stuck, and they don't want to cooperate. So what do you do when you break one of those off? Well, you might throw the screwdriver, say a few choice words, but don't worry, we can help you. There's a couple of things. These are 3-48 hardened screws. You can use a 5/64 drill bit to go through to drill out the broken screw, and a 3/48 tap. We sell the taps here, so a 3/48 tap to go back and rethread. Problem is, even with the drill press, it's very difficult to drill out this hardened screw and to hold everything in place and to get it straight. Here's what we can do here for you. Our good buddy Mark G, he does all of our plating. He does the mill work for us. He just pretty much a genius at stuff like this. Made this piece for us, so we can take you can send your shaft to us. We can save it. We'll put it in the jig here. It holds everything in place so that when we do go over to the drill press, we're going to drill that out and retap it and be able, almost all the time, not all the time, most of the time we're able to drill that broken piece out, and then we're able to tap it, and then everything on the shaft is stock like it was originally. You can still use the 3/48 screws. We sell those also. 48913 is a code number for a package of 10 of those. If you just want to buy the screws, it's the same size for the primary and secondary. So anyway, I'm gonna go drill this out and tap it. But just wanted you to know, if you do end up breaking some, just send us your shaft. We have a nominal fee to do that, up to 4 screws. If you break all of them off, then there's a little bit more cost, but we can save your shaft almost all of the time so that you can reuse it. The service is quick. We'll turn it around in a day or two and get it right back to you, so you can get that carburetor back on the road. So if you break the screws, don't worry, pick up the screwdriver that you threw. Just ship the shaft to us, and we'll take care of it for you. Quadrajetpower.com. Everything you need for Quadrajet parts, pieces, kits, new, used parts, services. We rebuild, recolor, replate. We do everything you need for your Quadrajet. Quadrajetpower.com. Thanks again. Have a great day.